So this exercise is for forming a bridge in Chi Sao. Now a lot of people when they do Chi Sao, they'll go into striking range and they'll start rolling. And we don't want to do that, because if you don't want to walk into striking range where you can be hit. So what we want to do is when I come close to him to do Chi Sao, I bring my hands up, I drop my hips, stretch my spine to raise the hands, form a bridge. Now I step forward. Now I can start doing the rolling exercises from here. But I don't want to step into here and then form a bridge. When I step away, I go out of striking range, then I can withdraw my hands. I don't drop my hands, I withdraw them and then bring them close to my body and put them down. So when I lift my hand up, it moves on a bridge to form. I come in, I start the rolling exercise. When I finish, I stretch the arms out and drop. So when we start Chi Sao, first you want to get used to intercepting. Because if he's throwing a strike, I want to drop the hip, stretch the spine, and come onto my partner's bridge through dropping and intercepting. And I always want to form this thinking, drop the hip, stretch the spine. This creates the kinetic load for me to have power in my hands. Now I can step in and go into the rolling exercises. Okay, so this is how we form the bridge before we do Chi Sao. We'll form the bridge before we do any type of sticking exercise. Okay, thank you. See you on the next video.